Looking to upgrade your Toyota 4Runner radio without the headache of complicated wiring? The 70-1761 LexusToyota wiring harness offers a quick, clean solution designed specifically for 2003 to 2009 Toyota 4Runners without navigation. Forget cutting into your factory wires. This harness plugs directly into your original equipment radio, keeping your vehicle's integrity intact while delivering a seamless upgrade experience. What makes this wiring harness stand out? Installation is straightforward and fast. It comes with all the hardware you need, including a professional installer series turbo kit that converts from 2-shaft to DIN, recessed perfectly for DIN applications. That means you can swap out your old radio for a modern unit without any guesswork or extra parts. Plus, the 1-year manufacturer's warranty gives you peace of mind that your investment is protected. Users across the U.S. have praised this harness for its reliability and ease of use. One Chevy Spark owner shared how it worked flawlessly with their 2014 model's speaker harness, allowing them to upgrade to a kicker 50-watt RMS 4-ohm system without any issues. A small adjustment, bending the OEM clip, was all it took to get a perfect fit. This kind of compatibility and simplicity shows the harness isn't just for Toyota 4Runners, it's versatile enough to support other vehicles too. If you're tired of wrestling with tangled wires or risking damage to your factory setup, this harness offers what you need: a plug-and-play solution that saves time and hassle. Whether you're installing a new radio or upgrading your speakers, it handles the job with precision and durability. It's worth a look if you want a clean, professional finish without the professional price tag. Ready to take your Toyota 4Runner audio system to the next level? The 70-1761 LexusToyota wiring harness is the straightforward, reliable choice. Try it when you're ready and enjoy a smooth installation process backed by a solid warranty. Your upgraded sound system is closer than you think.